This homemade chicken burger is so delicious. Very easy to make in the comfort of your home, so keep watching to see how easy it is to make. Please don't forget to like and share. Thank you. First, I'm going to slice up my chicken breast. You may also use chicken thighs. Just debone it and you are good to go. Next, I will tenderize it with meat tenderizer so that the burger will fry faster, and it will also enable the spices to infuse easily.
Delicious.
Once that is done, I will set aside. The next step is to mix up my spices. In a bowl, I will add seasoning powder, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, paprika powder, salt, and dry parsley. I will mix very well and sprinkle all over the chicken, making sure that every pieces of the chicken are well seasoned. Once that is done, I'll coat the chicken. Over here, I've got cracked eggs, flour, and breadcrumbs. I'm going to transfer the remaining spices in the plain flour and mix very well to combine. I will also add a pinch of salt in the cracked eggs and mix very well to combine. Once everything is ready, I will coat the chicken by adding to the flour first, add to the egg, and finally to the breadcrumbs, and it's ready to fry.
Yummy, yummy. Delicious.
Once that is done, I will set aside. The next step is to make my sauce. In a bowl, I will add mayonnaise, ketchup, sweet chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of white vinegar, and black pepper. I will mix very well to combine and set aside.
This food is yummy, yummy.
The next step is to fry the chicken. In a preheated oil, I will drop in the chicken and allow it to fry on a medium heat for 3 to 5 minutes on both sides. Once that is done, I will take it out of the oil and place on a paper towel. I will continue the process until I am done. The next step is to toast my burger buns. I will cut it into 2 and place on my frying pan and allow it to toast. Next, I will assemble it by spreading the sauce. Place the lettuce, followed by the chicken, cheese, sliced tomatoes and onions. I'm going to cover it and we are done, you guys. Homemade is always the best. Very delicious. I hope you give it a try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.